Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Have a 2020 GMC Sierra Denali edition. Doing some front brakes. And you know what? GM has decided to go to the sensor side. So GM is now incorporating brake wear sensors on their brake pads. Just look, a typical wear sensor location. This one's going to be on the back pad. See the sensor right there, and it plugs in right there. Kind of a funky location to get to, but it's doable. If anybody's ever done European style brakes, this is going to be very familiar for you. Pull out the little C-clip here, pull the pin out, retaining clip will come out. I usually use a flathead screwdriver, push one side in, do one entire side, come over to the other side, push this brake pad caliper in this direction. So anybody done European style brakes, this is basically the same thing. But yes, GM is now incorporating wear sensors. First American vehicle I've seen with this. So so here is the GM part number. Anybody that is wanting to do this, that is the part number right there. Now I've only done one side, but I did not see the sensor on the other side, so this will likely just be a one sensor per axle type of truck. I know there's one on the back. So that is basically it. New system for GM. Questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.